In winter, I tape a bag to the window and save on heating bills. I take a regular dark plastic bag and tape it along one side, then the other, and finally along the bottom so it fits tightly against the window frame. It works like a simple insulating layer. An air pocket forms between the window and the bag, reducing heat loss. The apartment stays warmer, and heating bills noticeably drop without expensive seals or replacing the windows. Your windows will shine like never before. You'll be able to admire the world through streak-free windows. For many people, it's like discovering the Holy Grail. For others, this method remains unchanged over the years. You'll learn how to professionally clean windows using products and items that you probably already have at home. The windows will look like new. Cleaning windows so that there are no streaks on them sometimes seems impossible. Although most people reach for such products, it's not a good choice. They're suitable for cleaning mirrors or shower cabins from the outside. You need this dishwashing liquid and this. You'll learn how to use them right away. First, pour plenty of water into a bowl or bucket. Dissolve a few drops of any dishwashing liquid in it. The water shouldn't foam. There should only be a little liquid in it. Clean the windows first with this water. You'll remove all the dirt and dust from them after winter. Remember that it's best to wash windows on a cloudy day. Washing windows in the sun largely contributes to streaks. When the windows are already cleaned from the layer of dust, pour 200 milliliters of vinegar into a spray bottle. Add the same amount of warm water. Literally add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. And add a dozen drops of glycerin. It's available at any pharmacy. Spray the windows with this mixture and wipe them gently with a cloth. Then polish them with ordinary newspapers. Glycerin will leave a protective layer. Thanks to it, dust or dirt won't settle on the window, and water will run off without leaving traces. The scent of vinegar will also discourage insects from sitting on the window, and the newspapers will guarantee that there won't be a single streak on the windows after cleaning. Is cold air coming through your windows? Switch to winter mode, and your home will feel warmer while saving on bills. A hidden screw in the window frame allows you to change the setting from summer to winter mode. Not many people know that this should be done twice a year, once in summer and once in winter. Grab a pair of pliers or a special window key. The screw responsible for this change moves when you press the window handle. It controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that one side of the screw is longer than the other, marked with a large dot. You can adjust it with pliers or a special key. The screws may vary in shape depending on the window manufacturer and are hidden not just on one side, but also on the top and bottom frames. How do you change your window from summer to winter mode? Grab the screw with pliers and turn the largest dot toward the window frame. This increases the seal's pressure, stopping airflow. Cold drafts will no longer sneak into your home through gaps. While it's a small detail, over the course of the heating season, you'll notice a big difference. Did you know windows have different modes? Have you already switched yours to winter mode? Every year, I cover my windows with bubble wrap. At first, my neighbors laughed at me, but once they learned the reason, they started doing it too. It turns out bubble wrap has many hidden uses, aside from being a satisfying stress reliever. If the air pockets are intact, it can significantly lower heating costs by reducing heat loss by up to 50%. All you need is a piece of bubble wrap cut to the size of your window and a spray bottle filled with water. Clean the glass, spray it with water, and press the bubble side of the wrap directly onto the wet surface. The wrap will stick on its own, no glue or tape needed. For extra security, you can tape the edges to the window frame, but it's not essential. This trick works wonders for single-pane windows, basements, attics, greenhouses, and even some double-glazed windows. It's a simple, reusable solution that doesn't lose its insulating properties. You can remove the wrap anytime and reapply it, for example, on especially cold nights. Bubble wrap insulation has been proven effective in keeping rooms warm and reducing energy bills. Gardeners often use it in greenhouses, where it can cut heat loss by 30% and raise the temperature inside by up to 2 degrees Celsius. Over time, you can collect bubble wrap from packages to use for this purpose, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to stay warm. You might save hundreds of dollars during a single heating season with this simple trick. Put them in the windows, and you'll feel the difference. Your bills will decrease by almost half. This simple and affordable trick will seal your windows without needing a professional. Energy and heating costs are rising at an alarming rate, so it's important to minimize heat loss. It turns out that almost half of the heat that could stay in your home escapes through the windows. To keep the heat, all you need is this simple trick I'm about to show you. Everything you need can be found in your home, specifically in your kitchen. Just grab a dish sponge, which has far more uses than you might think. Start by cutting it into smaller pieces, or cut the sponge into medium-sized strips so they can easily fit into the gaps of your windows. Place these strips between the seal and the window frame, as it's often the faulty seals that cause leaks. You don't need to replace them, just use this trick. Attach the sponge with silver tape at the top and close the window. You'll see that the window seals better and your home will feel warmer. This is how I seal my windows against record-breaking frosts. This simple trick gives it a whole new purpose in your home. While it's commonly used for food storage, plastic wrap can also serve other functions. Take a roll of plastic wrap and spread it across the entire surface of the window pane from the inside. Make sure the wrap is evenly stretched to avoid wrinkles and maintain a neat appearance. Secure the edges of the wrap with adhesive tape. Start at the top edge of the window, carefully taping it to the frame, then move to the bottom and sides. The wrap should be taut, but be careful not to overstretch and damage it. This setup has several benefits. It creates an additional insulating layer on the glass, reducing heat loss from your home. Windows are one of the primary areas where heat escapes during winter, and the wrap helps block the flow of cold air. This can also prevent unsightly condensation and moisture, which often lead to mold growth. Once installed, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. It's a clever way to repurpose something you already have at home for a completely new use. Buy it at the pharmacy and stick it on your windows. Your bills will be significantly lower. It's cheap and easily available. Despite being thin, it's resistant to damage and reusable. This versatile product is useful in many situations thanks to its unique properties. A standard thermal blanket has two sides, one gold and one silver. Each serves a different purpose. The silver side reflects heat, while the gold side stores it. Measure your window carefully. Unfold the blanket and cut it to the appropriate size. Wet the window with plain water and stick the blanket on it, gold side facing outwards. Ensure the foil adheres snugly to the window frame. Smooth it out with your hand to avoid air bubbles. The gold side reflects heat and prevents it from escaping, keeping your room warm for longer. A thermal blanket is a simple and affordable solution to improve your home's thermal insulation. It's easy to fold into a compact size, making it convenient to store for future use. I've been using this trick in my home for years, saving on heating costs during colder months.